gorgeously, Shaikh. In today's world, everybody talks about great gut health and immunity. A very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair, and today I'm going to be making an easy drink for you, which is a complete meal replacement for your breakfast meal. Almond milk unsweetened, 5 whole almonds, 1 tablespoon low carb keto flour available in the market easily, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, 1 cup water, turmeric, saffron strands, stevia powder. You can also use coconut sugar or organic jaggery. First, 1 tablespoon of amul ghee, 5 almonds. You could also chop them and add. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of keto flour. Next, with the help of silicone spoon, you're going to mix them and wait until it turns slightly golden. And we're going to wait for another 2 minutes. Now we're going to add a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of cardamom powder, some cinnamon powder, and now 1 cup water. And once the water gets a nice boil, then we're going to add almond milk. So that's 100 grams of almond milk. You could also make the consistency a little thin by adding some more water to it, and some saffron strands. And I'm going to wait until it gets a nice boil. So we're going to increase the flame, and I'm going to make it slightly thinner in consistency, and I'm going to add a little more water. But you can also keep it thick. And once it gets ready and it gets a really nice boil, we're going to add our last bit, that is a stevia powder or coconut sugar. There you go. And we're going to wait till it gets a nice boil. Our healthy, nutritious keto immunity drink is ready. So our keto immunity drink is ready. This drink is a powerful antioxidant drink. It's loaded with medicinal properties. It helps for digestion. It helps people with arthritis. It also helps to reduce symptoms of PMS. So it's an excellent, powerful antioxidant drink. Request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do a lot of videos on health, nutrition and training. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you next time.